Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hey girl, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. So basically what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do body curls, like the best body curls that you could ever do in your life, the easiest body curls that you could ever do in your life, in like, you know, a short amount of time. I think the style typically takes about like 30 minutes to do. But it's super easy, super simple. Anyone can do it. And yeah, let's hop right into the video. So first things first, I'm just combing out the hair, making sure it's no kinks, snaps, anything like that, just so that I have an easy transition into doing the curls. So when I am able to take my time and do curls, typically what I'll do is I'll section the hair off into 4 sections. This is how you literally have the perfect curls with the most body, and they last the longest. You can also do this in 3 sections if you would like, or kind of freestyle within this middle section that's in the back, but it's up to you. I feel like the 4 sections are better to do. So now for this part right here, basically what I'm doing, I'm just spraying oil sheen. You can use any oil that you want to, but I typically like to use oil sheen whenever I'm doing curls because it allows the curl to actually flow throughout the barrel a lot better, whether you're using a plug up curling iron or a stove curling iron. I always recommend to use oil based, because it just works a lot better. You can use hold and spray as well. I know a lot of stylists do both at the same time, but for me, I like to just do the oil sheen at first, and then I go in at the end and add the hold and spray to hold the curl for the remainder of the hairstyle. So now what you will see is you'll see me take the curl out of the barrel in more than one way. Whichever way that you see me do that you like the best, that's the way that I would recommend you to do it. I believe I showed you guys about 4 or 5 different ways to take it out. Some that are easier, some that are a little bit more advanced, but whichever works best for you, that's what I would recommend for you to do. Guess that's what we make it. Now, if you are following my steps correctly, what you will see is that your curls will begin to form into what I like to call a wave. Now, this wave is what keeps the curls intact throughout the day. Whatever your client, customer, or yourself are doing, the curls will stay in and they will flow as they should away from your face to give you that body. you have it, our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and was able to learn something new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ask me any questions down below. Thank you.